A very warm good evening to everyone. Welcome to yet another episode of I Can Care Sunday Life Mind, Body, Soul. Today, the topic on Mind, Body, Soul is aligning the chakras, the energy transformation. So, we'll walk through, we'll know from our special guests, special speakers, and our esteemed spiritual guru, Sadhguru Ananda. We'll hear from him, we'll know more about the chakras. So, peace, joy, and love are all signs of spiritual wisdom. A life led on the path of truth always brings light and joy. So, I welcome on behalf of the entire team of I Can Care all our viewers on Zoom, Facebook Live, and YouTube to the wonderful Sunday evening on Mind, Body, and Soul. Let me introduce special speakers Dr. B.C. Gupta, pathologist and healer.
Our Dr. B.C. Gupta, who has been traveling extensively and who has traveled to all the dhams and all the places that we can think of or we wish to be there. So the inner healer himself, Dr. B.C. Gupta, over to you, sir, for giving us the experience.
Thank you, Dr. Pawan, for such nice words. Welcome to all the delegates in this program of I Can Care. And today's program is going to be a very enlightening one because till now we have understood something about this spiritual body which we are carrying, which is not visible, but we are here because of that only, and that's why we do each and every action in this world, mental, physical, social, whatever. So this mind, body and soul program, which has been such an enlightening one in the last sessions, today it is something like, I'll compare it to a simile that you are going to buy a new vehicle, and when you are being given a key, before giving the key, you are explained about the functions of the vehicle, how to drive it safely, and all those functions which are associated, which have been added to the new vehicle. So this body which has been enlightened to you by now by Sadhguru Ananda, today he is going to give you the key how to run it for the maximum potential of healing and synchronizing your life with the society in which we are living by aligning the chakras of our body. By now you must have come to know that mainly there are 7 chakras: Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipurak, Anahat, Vishuddhi chakra, Agya chakra and Sahasrara. All these are related to actually our uh, elements of which our body is formed. Detail Dr. Manish Vadra, our Sadhguru, will be telling you. I will just say a few words that we start our basis of this body, this Mooladhara. It is an earth element. Then we have got a fluidic gel, liquid element, and then we have got fire element. So fire liquid element is represented by Swadhisthana. Fire element is represented by Manipurak. Then we come to Anahat chakra, where it is aligned to the air element, Vayu. And then throat chakra is related to the ether. Rest of the 2 chakras are higher chakras, where you uh, experience the super consciousness by aligning below 5 chakras. You cannot reach up to that part, and then you start feeling the reality of this world. So aligning the body is very important. Aligning the chakras is important to remain, to take the maximum benefit of our spiritual setup actually, which can give you the maximum healing, which can give you maximum joy in this life, which can keep you calm and quiet, which can ultimately make you understand the purpose of your life, and you can enjoy the life which you have been given in this in this life. So I'll not talk much about the details of the chakras because Sadhguru has got a special, uh, knowledge to dissipate this knowledge to all of you in his own enchanting words. And not taking much of the time, I'll hand over this program to Dr. Manish Vadhva, our Sadhguru, to enlighten all of us about these chakras and aligning them, and teaching us about the achievement of our mental, physical, and social well-being.
I, as an oncosurgeon, understand the need for healing oneself, the relaxation of the mind, because everything is on the mind. So in the next session, we are going to have something, leaving the present, power of now. This will be available on 14th of March that we'll be having this program, and I'm glad we will take it forward. And definitely we look forward for people who are needing the help of I Can Care to help quit tobacco. Please do note down this number, 011-430-77695. All those who are here, please note down this number. You can just guide anyone who wants to quit tobacco. Just tell them to call this number, and we are there to help them, handhold them through the journey, and handhold them through their being free from tobacco. And yes, we have started this group intervention therapy, which is there every Wednesday. It's like, the person who has quit helping the person who wants to quit. And of course, the Sadhguru is there. We are glad Sadhguru has agreed to be there on this day to take us through the meditation and take us through the relaxation. And of course, the support of Relaxium by Sandhyota and Curange by Sandhyota is always there and welcome for all the people. So I would, again, this is something very unique that is happening in India, that is such an intervention online is available. Person sitting anywhere in India can join this, and even abroad can join this program. And this is a unique program. Nowhere else is happening, accepting by this. So really it is, we are into a win-win situation. We have got the meditation, we have got the I Can Care, and we have got Relaxium. And definitely it is going to make a change. And of course, all those who have not downloaded the app, to download the app, and we are just putting the link, we'll just put the link of the app. And then of course, please, you all are requested to be part of this I Can Care community, because we need you, the society needs you. When I say I can care, it is on you. I can care. Yes, you can care for the society. And that's the power of I Can Care, that you have to be a part of the society to take care of the society. So you can take care of your people around you, of your family, of your friends, those who are into tobacco, and that is the power of I Can Care. And be part of this community to take it forward. So thank you so much.